A great water bottle is an essential for any trip if you don't want to rely on a water fountain for hydration. But there are so many out there that it can be hard to know which to choose. We've put all the bottles in this video through insulation and taste tests. So whether you want something that carries a ton of water or keeps it all cold throughout the day, we have something for you. We'll kick things off with a super light way to carry your drink. At just 9.6 ounces, the Stanley AeroLight Transit bottle is one of the lightest insulated bottles we've found. Its 20-ounce capacity keeps your favorite drink hot or cold as long as you need. There was even still ice floating in the water after we left it out in 70 degrees for 8 hours, which is a testament to the power of the double-wall vacuum insulation Stanley uses in its bottle. Drinking from it is comfortable too, since the plastic spout has a slight curve to aim a drink right into your mouth, with a flip-up cap that seals completely to keep it inside when you're not drinking. Seriously, you can turn it upside down, shake it, and nothing leaks out of this bottle, so we trust it inside our bottle pockets wherever we go. It's narrow enough to fit into just about any backpack pocket and fits in cup holders. While it doesn't have a handle, we find it comfortable to hold as we explore, especially if you have tiny hands like me. If you switch drinks throughout the day like some of us do, starting with coffee before moving on to water, there isn't much of a taste transfer as long as you give it a good rinse or wash in between. However, we cannot be held responsible if you let the last dregs of your coffee marinate inside of this thing for hours in the heat, though. It's easy to find a subtle colorway to suit your style, with about a dozen options to choose from. Just be sure to snag your favorite when it's in stock, as we found that this popular bottle runs out quickly. That's true of the themes and colorways of the Owala FreeSip water bottle too. The fun combinations are part of the draw, but that's not the entire reason we like it. It has 2 openings on the mouth, so you can easily switch between sipping from a straw or taking a quick gulp, depending on what you're feeling at the moment. I know you've probably been seeing recommendations for this bottle everywhere, but it's one of my personal favorites, and many of our friends and family members carry one daily too. I've actually been using this water bottle since I first tested it in 2022, pretty much daily, and I recommended it to a ton of friends and family, so when we all get together, it's like a little squad of water bottles. I initially thought that it was kind of weird to drink from a bottle with 2 openings, but you get used to it pretty quickly. It's comfortable to carry too, with the twin indentations running up each side that creates a comfortable flat surface for you to hang on to as you drink. While you're out exploring, carry it by the handle or attach it to your bag using a carabiner. We've had no issues getting the 24-ounce size to fit in any cup holder or most water bottle pockets. However, I have noticed that sometimes the bottle can be too tall if it's a zippered pocket. When it's packed away, the handle doubles as a lock and blocks the button you push to open the lid so it doesn't accidentally spill in your bag. Plus, it gives the bottle a sleeker look and makes it more packable than bottles with more prominent handles. Whether you want to fly under the radar or like a brighter vibe, there are a ton of styles and colors to choose from. They also do frequent collaborations and limited edition color drops, although those are the ones you have to watch and snag quickly from their site to get your favorite before it's gone. If you care more about taste than color, you might like bottles from the Purist collective. Drinking your water from their 18-ounce mover bottle won't taste like metal or your last beverage. It has a microscopic layer of glass lining in its stainless steel interior to lock out unwanted flavors. That makes it a great option if you like to switch between coffee, water, or other flavored beverages, because this glass does a great job of blocking that taste transfer as long as you keep it clean. Tom swears by his, and he's been using it daily at the office and on the road for years. Plus, it's well insulated, keeping water cool throughout a hot day, and it fits nicely into standard bottle and cup holders, so it's easy to bring along on your next trip. You can also get different styles of caps depending on your preference. The Union soft and rubbery top is comfortable for sipping water and has a built-in handle, although it can make an odd whistling noise when you drink from it. It's pretty easy to avoid making the noise once you figure out what triggers it, but if you want to ensure a quiet sip and you like switching between hot drinks and cold, you may prefer the leak-proof scope top. Purist collective bottles come in different sizes too, so you can pick the hydration level that suits you best. For something super sturdy and easy to carry, check out the YETI Rambler. This 18-ounce bottle seems less prone to denting than other insulated water bottles when dropped on concrete, and that's if you manage to drop it. Its lid has a large, sturdy handle that's easy to hold onto as you explore a new place and gives you a good grip for opening and closing the cap. It's called the chug cap, and we like drinking from the smaller, clear top you uncover when you unscrew the handle. That smaller spout is more like drinking from a disposable bottle, although you can always unscrew the entire cap to drink from the wider opening of the Rambler if you want. The cap does a great job keeping liquid inside the bottle, and the YETI Rambler didn't lose a drop when we put it through a leak test. The exterior of this stainless steel water bottle has a nice looking powder coating and a stainless steel bottom that can handle the bumps and drops of travel. And if you find the chug cap is just a bit too chunky for your taste, you can always swap it out for something more low profile. If you like to track your water intake and want to drink from glass, check out this bottle from purifyou. The premium glass water bottle helps keep you on top of your hydration with times of day and measurements on the sides. This 22-ounce bottle has the clean tasting benefits of glass that actually works. I left water in the bottle for 3 days and it tasted the same after its rest in the bottle as it did when I first filled it up. But obviously glass is fragile, so we like the silicone case that protects the bottle if it happens to slip from your grip. That might not protect it from every spill, but it also provides a better grip so you hopefully won't drop it. There's an O-ring on the cap big enough for about 1 finger, so it's easier to hold as you walk around, or you can loop a strap through to keep it securely in your bag. What sets this apart from other bottles though is the accountability factor. While one side of the bottle has ounce and milliliter measurements, the other side has 3 sets of times of day so that you know how much you should have drank by 9 a.m., noon, or 8 p.m. to meet your recommended daily intake. It's an analog way to track your hydration instead of using an app, though you'll have to remember how many times you've filled the bottle to know how much you've actually consumed. It's not the lightest bottle on this list and it also lacks insulation, but if you refill your bottle as much as you're supposed to, it shouldn't get too warm. For something more durable that will still keep you on track to drink enough water, opt for a trusty Nalgene. They can handle spills from a bike or your backpack with just a scratch or two to show for it. The 32-ounce Nalgene wide-mouth travel water bottle has measurements printed along the side in imperial and metric so you know how much you've consumed, and it's BPA-free copolyester resists stains and odors. Plus, it won't taste like hot metal if it gets a little bit too warm, although it can taste a little plasticky, so you'll have to decide which you prefer. The attached loop helps you keep a handle on the bottle so you can hang onto it throughout the day or attach it to the outside of your travel backpack with a carabiner. At 6.25 ounces, it's pretty lightweight, although it doesn't have any insulation built in, so it might not be the pick if you're somebody who wants to keep your water icy all day long. There are dozens of colorways and different sizes to choose from, and they're all easy to fill with ice, a water filter, or a water purifier thanks to the wide opening. That also makes them easy to clean, and since it's transparent, you'll have no problem seeing when it needs a good wash. Plus, Nalgenes are made in the USA and guaranteed for life, so you may not need to buy another water bottle again unless you run out of space for new stickers. We'd be remiss if we didn't mention a couple old reliables. These are bottles we've carried for years and tested extensively, like the trusty Hydro Flask. They come in various sizes and are one of the options that might first come to mind when you're looking for an insulated bottle. The different sizes have similar footprints, so you don't have to worry about fitting them in a cup or bottle holder, and you can get a variety of caps to suit your tastes, whether you like to chug or sip from a straw. This stainless steel bottle isn't just for water either, since it does just as good of a job keeping your drinks hot as it does cold. However, they can be prone to denting if it takes a spill off your desktop onto cement. Luckily, we haven't found that to impact its insulation, but there are some reports from other reviewers that it does. If you want something that shrinks as you drink, you might want a collapsible water bottle. Our pack hacker pick, the Vapur Eclipse water bottle, has a 1-liter capacity and is the most packable drink container we've found. It includes a built-in carabiner on the cap so you can clip it to your sling or day pack to carry it around. While it's not insulated, you won't be stuck carrying an empty yet still heavy bottle until you want to refill it. It takes a little getting used to drinking from what's basically a bag, but if you're carrying around a hot theme park all day, you'll get the hang of it quickly. Well, those are the bottles that we'll be drinking from on our next trip. Did we miss your favorite? Let us know in the comments below so we can check it out. Until then, see you next time.